IG. And they are walk on a medicine. And I say, our country get fuck higher. And it look like it deliberate. Honorable bro God. One of them here, I'm the rebel salute and pour out my heart to you up on the stage and I ask you, say, what we are going to do for we liquor youth them? You see what I say? Some zones so set up and some zones as whatever I want to call it. 58 days gone out of 2020. 200 and had people dead already. Who them they were dead? Who them they were dead? A little man burn up in a fire, a man live land, a little man a walk around with his body full of burn pan him, man. Nobody no see him. And a Jamaica this. You can't tell me nothing, something no right about the picture. Something smell deliberate. You know, a kill off Jamaican deliberately. You know, why Jamaican people for kill off themselves. All I know, me a talk. Government, opposition, private sector. Some puppet artists. Some puppet disc jockey. Some puppet media personality. We sit down one side and watch our country and go down. And none of them do nothing. And as me do something like this, not chat about, me I go on like me want to save the world. And me I go on like me know more than everybody else. What do you really feel? What Jamaica do now? What Jamaica do now? What Jamaica people do now? Only good we ever do in this world. Check we record as a people. We uplift Marcus Garvey and America. We set up workers' union. We have light before New York. We give you everything we're great that we give you. And this is all I give back Jamaica people. And uno so-called Jamaica people. Uno new Jamaican. Another new Jamaica, yeah. Uno like to see where I go on with the original Jamaican people, not true? Uno love to see Jamaica people are dead out. That uno can have the place to carry out uno nastiness. And live how uno want to live and do how uno want to do. With no question asked. Uno not go tell Jamaica sorry. You think it a go so? Uno think say it a go so, not true? Uno think so uno go just come do this to Jamaica and everything a go alright and everybody a go move along. See? I really that thing a go on to Jamaica. And we just give thanks to the people them we know. And know so we deserve more than this as a people. And we not leg on, we not give up. It no matter how we try fight, we make it look like we are not relevant. We go always there with a voice for the people. And when we tried, stronger voices are going to come after we too. You know, hear me? I mean, I beg every Jamaican. When no say a fuck we are going in another country, I have to stand up. The people of Jamaica have to stand up and say no more. Every Jamaican life matter. Every one of them youth we are kill off them one another, it starts somewhere. All of the artists them will have influence. We have the people them ears. We could do something, Rasta. Enough times we go into the community them. And we sit down the rival factors them and show them say there's a better way. Make we try, man.